I'd give anything to be in your shoes. I mean, to know what it feels like to be a talented and famous writer, to know what fame feels like, how you experience your fame. The world is so strange. People have all these different destinies. Some people go on to lead these boring, insignificant little lives, all unhappy, all the same. But then there are people like you, for example. I mean, you're one in a million. You have the luck to lead these shining, interesting lives. Your life is grand and beautiful. You work too hard. Yeah, I mean, you might be dissatisfied with yourself, but to others, your life is grand. You know, if I were a writer, I would give my whole life over to my fans, knowing that their only happiness was to hold me up and to pull my chariot through the streets. What joy it would be to be a writer or an actress. I would endure my family's disapproval, the poverty, the disappointments. I would live in a garret and eat only rye bread. I would deal with all of the doubts and all the dissatisfactions. If only I could hear that applause, that real thunderous applause.